Hi. We saw the presentation of propaganda posters. We looked at the different elements we need to look at to understand the message and what that poster is conveying to you. Now we're going to apply that understanding to this poster that you're seeing now and then try to derive meaning from it. So it's a visual poster. We're going to see first, what do we see? So here is a poster where we see a woman who's appearing to be looking as a poster, which is a World War poster. It alludes to that. So you understand that here are women who are contributing to a very important effort. And it says, we can do it. That's a very famous slogan that was used in this propaganda poster. Very great contrasting colors, red, yellow and blue. So it makes it very bright, stands out. This is like a comic illustration style. And then you notice that she's wearing a mask. Then we look more closely. It says, help appeal. Helicopter emergency landing pads, Country Air Ambulance Trust, helpappeal.org.uk. That establishes credibility for you. And it says, proud to support the NHS. Context is very important. Whenever you get any question paper with any text, if you have this context given, please read it. Never leave it out because it's going to render very important information for you. So here it says, a World War II inspired poster published in 2021. The original poster was by the War Production Coordinating Committee in the USA, appealing to women to join the factories to contribute to the war effort. But here, this is 2021. And this mask that she's wearing alludes to COVID times. So that was the time the world was faced by this impending danger of COVID and nobody really knew what to do, where to go. So this called out for women. The NHS is the National Health Services in UK and they called for women to come and help. So it's an appeal. It says help appeal. There's a logo of H there. Okay. So here is the text. Now, applying all of your understanding of idealization, symbolism, we're going to put this into a paper. So if the guiding question is, discuss how the language features, both written and visual, aim to persuade the readers. Visual texts are going to have a visual narrative as well, and you are going to keep that in mind. The given text is an inspirational poster of the World War II, published in 2021. The given context helps the reader understand that the aim of the original poster was to motivate, encourage women to join the factories and work to support the war effort. The text is created by helpappeal.org.uk that lends credibility to the text. The purpose of this text is to encourage women to join the NHS, especially in the context of COVID, and help the nation fight the pandemic. The multimodal text uses visuals and text along with symbolism, allusion, and persuasive appeals to persuade women to join the National Health Service and help in fighting COVID. The adapted poster would likely leverage the historical context and messaging of the original World War II poster to inspire modern-day actions in support of the NHS and healthcare in the United Kingdom. It could be a powerful visual tool to rally public support and engagement, reminding people of the importance of collective action in times of crisis. The central theme of the original poster from the World War II was to encourage women to actively participate in the war efforts by working in factories. In the adapted poster, the theme could be to encourage people by actively participating in supporting the NHS, possibly by taking up roles in the healthcare sector or by volunteering to help with healthcare services. The use of a World War II inspired poster in the modern context may evoke a sense of nostalgia and historical connections. By referencing a significant moment in history when people unite for a common cause, the poster may attempt to inspire a similar sense of collective action and unity in supporting the NHS. In the original poster, women were encouraged to take on non-traditional roles, which was a significant step towards gender equality during that time. In the adapted poster, the emphasis on supporting the NHS might also include a call for equal representation and recognition of the contributions of all genders in the healthcare industry. The adapted poster would likely leverage the historical context and messaging of the original World War II poster to inspire modern day actions in the support of the NHS and the healthcare in the United Kingdom. It could be a powerful visual tool to rally public support and engagement, reminding people of the importance of collective action in the times of crisis. It's a visual text, so remember visual elements. The addition of mask and gloves to the woman in the adapted poster is a clear reflection of the modern context in which the poster was published, which was during the COVID-19 pandemic. This modification serves several purposes and sends specific messages to the audience. By depicting the woman wearing a mask and gloves, the poster conveys a strong message about the importance of public health and safety. It highlights the ongoing concern of infectious diseases and the need to take preventive measures to protect oneself and others from potential transmission. Embodying strength, determination, and a commitment to collective responsibility, the woman depicted in the adapted poster symbolizes the modern-day call to support the healthcare system and the NHS during the ongoing pandemic. Tying her hair up in a scarf suggests practicality and readiness to work. It may also signify a nod to the original World War II poster, where women often had to keep their hair tied back for safety and efficiency while working in the factories. The scarf could also symbolize a sense of solidarity with healthcare workers who have been on the front line during the pandemic. Direct eye contact is a powerful non-verbal communication tool that creates a connection with the viewer. It projects confidence, determination, and a sense of purpose. The woman's gaze conveys a message that she is determined and committed to her role in supporting the healthcare system. And she wants the viewer to feel the same sense of responsibility. The color blue is often associated with qualities like trust, reliability, and stability. By wearing a blue shirt, the woman may symbolize her decision to be a healthcare professional and the NHS. It also helps to establish a visual connection with the blue mask and the gloves, emphasizing the importance of these protective measures. The act of flexing her muscles showcases strength, both physical and metaphorical. It communicates that she is prepared to take on the challenges ahead and encourages others to do the same. This posture embodies a sense of empowerment and a can-do attitude, which aligns with the historical theme of mobilization and active participation. The blue mask and gloves are not only practical protective gear, but also tie into the overall color scheme of the poster. The color coordination might have been intentionally chosen to create a visually cohesive and appealing design. Additionally, the blue mask and the gloves serve as a clear reminder of the ongoing pandemic and the importance of maintaining safety measures. The speech bubble in red with the words, "We can do it," is a powerful and motivational statement that adds a compelling element to the adapted poster. Let's see the analysis of the phrase. We can do it. It's empowering and is an inclusive message which addresses the audience directly. By using we, the statement encourages a sense of unity and collective action. It instills confidence in the viewers, reminding them that they are capable of making a difference and contributing to the cause. The phrase, "we can do it," has historical significance as it was popularized by the original World War II poster created by the War Production Coordinating Committee. In that context, it was used to motivate women to take on roles in factories to support the war effort. In the adapted poster, the same phrase takes on a new meaning, motivating people to actively support the healthcare system and the NHS during a different kind of crisis. The use of the exclamation mark, "we can do it," amplifies the positivity and enthusiasm of the message. It reinforces the idea that determination and a positive mindset are essential in overcoming challenges. The speech bubble serves as a call to action, urging viewers to step forward and contribute to the cause. It encourages individuals to be proactive in supporting the healthcare system and the community during difficult times. The red color of the speech bubble adds to the emotional impact of the message. Red is often associated with strength, passion, and urgency. It captures attention and evokes a sense of determination, making the message more memorable and compelling. The combination of red, blue, and yellow in the illustrative art style can create a visually compelling poster that effectively conveys the message of unity, determination, and support for healthcare system and the NHS. The colors, along with the art style, work together to evoke emotions, capture attention, and inspire the viewers to take action in response to the poster's message. Remember, everything in the text is important, so you have to focus on everything that's written there. The poster proudly showcases the help appeal and its commitment to providing helicopter emergency landing pads, supporting air ambulance services, and its dedication to bolstering the efforts of the NHS in delivering crucial medical care. The copy text effectively conveys the purpose and focus of the help appeal and related initiatives. It highlights their involvement in providing helipads for medical emergencies and supporting air ambulance services in rural areas. By mentioning their support for the NHS, the text strengthens the organization's credibility and importance in contributing to the healthcare system's effectiveness. The presence of a helicopter icon reinforces the message and adds to the visual appeal, helps the viewer quickly understand the poster's central theme. The combination of the clear, concise text with the relevant icon makes the message easy to comprehend and memorable. Help appeal likely refers to a charitable organization or an initiative that aims to fund and build helipads for emergency landings at hospitals. Helicopter emergency landing pads further explains the purpose of the organization, indicating that they focus on providing helipads for medical emergencies. Country Air Ambulance Trust suggests that the organization may be associated with supporting air ambulance services in rural or remote areas, imperative during COVID times. The helicopter icon reinforces the connection to emergency medical services and the air ambulance operations. It allows for a quick visual recognition, making it easier for viewers to understand the primary focus of the poster. In conclusion, the adapted poster, inspired by a World War II era artwork, effectively conveys a powerful and a timely message. The illustrations, art style, featuring a determined woman donning a mask and gloves, flexing her muscles, symbolizing the resilience and unity of the modern-day individuals in supporting the healthcare system and the NHS during the ongoing pandemic. The use of red, blue, and yellow colors strategically enhances the poster's visual impact, evoking emotions of determination, trust, and optimism, while the iconic phrase, "We can do it," serves as an empowering call to action, encouraging viewers to take an active role in contributing to the collective effort. Moreover, the inclusion of the help appeal, helicopter emergency landing pads, and the Country Air Ambulance Trust adds a dimension of support and dedication to emergency medical services. Altogether, the poster embodies a potent message of unity, strength, and an unwavering commitment to the well-being of the community, emphasizing that just as in historical times of crisis, individuals can overcome challenges when united under a common cause.